welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to be making a lentil and vegetable hot pot. Got some lovely flavors in there, got some cumin, garlic, chili. You can use any selection of vegetables that you like. Absolutely delicious, healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's get started. What I'm going to show you here are the selection of vegetables that I'm using, and then I'm going to show you some of the basics. So you can use any selection that you want, but I'm going to be using some green beans, broccoli, mushroom, zucchini, carrot, cauliflower, celery and bell pepper. So like I say, you can mix and match this as you wish. Let's take a look at the essentials. Okay, so we've taken a look at my selection of vegetables. Now, these are the essential things that we need. So here I've got some lentils. They're actually red lentils. When you cook red lentils, they turn that color. So I've cooked those, boiled them for about 5 minutes. They cook very quickly in some salted water. 1 can of tomatoes, 1 regular size onion. And then here I've got 2 teaspoons chili powder, 2 teaspoons cumin powder, and here 1 large tablespoon, a heaped tablespoon of garlic. We're going to start this off with oil, and of course we're going to add some salt. Let's get moving. Okay, so I've got my pot here, and in there I've got some olive oil. You could use a different type of oil if you wanted. We're going to start off with our onion and our garlic. I've got quite a lot of garlic for this one. And then if you've got any really hard vegetables, like for me, carrots and celery, you can get them in now. Lively heat, above medium. Let's go for about 3 minutes. Okay, I'm now going to get in my green beans, my cauliflower. Like I say, you just want to be adding the hardest vegetables first and working your way up. I'm going to add a little bit of salt now and some black pepper. I'm going to go for another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, I'm going to get in our spices. Let's just take a look at those again. We've got chili powder and cumin powder. Now I'm going to add our cooked lentils. And we're going to stir this around, getting those spices and some flavours onto our lentils. I'll be back in about 2 minutes. Fabulous. Let's now go in with those bell peppers. That's a bit of colour. Our mushrooms. Our broccoli. And our zucchini. About 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving now. Let's get all these vegetables mixed in and on their way with the lentils. Wonderful. Okay, let's now add that 1 can of tomatoes. And we'll just really sort of roughly break them in there. And what we're going to do now is add some liquid. I'm just going to be using water. If you wanted, you could be using a stock. So we've got like a pint of water there for this amount. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a lid on this. Turn the heat down, not to simmer, between simmer and medium, and we're going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then. See you there. Okay, off goes the heat. Let me get some steam out of there for you. And that is looking absolutely wonderful. Check that for salt, it's going to be fine for me. If you wanted some chopped cilantro in there, or coriander, whatever you call that, might be nice. But yeah, there you go. You got a nice kind of lentil vegetable hot pot there. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.